Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Amazon gift card balance for purchases. First, let's add your gift card. Navigate to the Apply a Gift Card to your account section on Amazon's website or app. Carefully enter the 16-digit claim code from your physical card or email. Then, simply click Apply to your balance to instantly add those funds to your Amazon account, making them ready for your next shopping spree. Once your gift card is applied, you can easily check your updated balance in your Amazon account. Now, the fun part begins. Browse through millions of products on Amazon and add all your desired items to your shopping cart. When you're satisfied with your selections and ready to finalize your order, simply proceed to the checkout page. It's a straightforward process to ensure you're ready for the next step. At the checkout page, when you reach the payment section, make sure Amazon.com gift card is selected as your preferred payment method. The system will automatically deduct the cost of your items from your available gift card balance. If your purchase exceeds your gift card funds, don't worry. You'll be prompted to add an additional payment method, like a credit card, to cover the remaining amount. Here are a few important tips. Amazon gift card balances generally do not expire, giving you plenty of time to use them. Remember, these funds are typically applied to eligible items sold directly by Amazon or fulfilled by Amazon. Also, it's good to know that you cannot use your gift card balance to purchase other gift cards. Keep these points in mind for a smooth and enjoyable shopping experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.